How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. This is Moist Hardware and the first video ever. I'm super excited to get this channel rolling, so big welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about my computer that is right behind me and where I do everything from playing games, editing, watching movies and listening to music. So this is the parts that I use in my computer. I chose Phanteks Enthoo Luxe Anthracite Grey Edition because it's a great chassis to work with, and the build was super easy because all the space the chassis is giving you. Super smooth cable management, and it looks great, especially with that tempered glass side panel. And let's not forget the LEDs that gives the chassis the finishing touch. My CPU cooler is a Phanteks PHTC12DX. I chose this cooler because it has high construction quality and good performance. The white edition includes two stunning white 120mm fans, which fits my rig perfectly, especially when it got some LEDs. This guy is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 8GB Strix from ASUS. It looks amazing and the performance gives you that long-awaited smile. With integrated LEDs and mind-blowing performance, this card really fits the bill. Next up is the heart and soul of my PC, the Intel Core i5 7600 Kaby Lake. I've been using this for some time and it was like entering a new world. Great CPU that I will gladly recommend this to all the gamers out there. Next up is my M.2 SSD from Samsung 960 EVO 250GB. This little guy is super fast and insanely easy to install, and also to fall in love with. I'll strongly recommend this to every PC enthusiast out there. Under the vinyl wrap power supply shroud you find the power supply unit. From Corsair RM750i, a fully modular power supply that comes with an 80+ gold certification and delivers great performance. Last but not least, we have the RAM memory from Corsair, the Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4. 2666 MHz. Great performance and a cool low profile design, and aluminium heat spreaders for faster heat dissipation. This is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please toss me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll just see you guys in the next video.